on a windy, cloudy evening. My collard greens are still looking beautiful. Look at them, they done got back big. Look at these over here. Okay. Gonna have some rain coming down on you guys soon. Hope y'all to continue to grow big and beautiful. Look at you. And look at my romaine and my butter crunch lettuce. Y'all still looking beautiful. Come on and enjoy this rainy weather that we're getting ready to have. And continue to grow big and beautiful for us. Okay, my green beans and my sugar snap peas. They growing big over here. Look at y'all, come on. I see the beautiful leaves. Now come on. And grow me some beans and peas. Over here is my yellow wax beans. I see all the beautiful green leaves. Come on. Y'all produce some yellow wax beans for me. I still need to clean out this area here too. I see some big onions and garlic growing over in here. Look at that. Okay, I see you. I'm gonna have to pull some of the dirt from around you. So you can make me some big onion bulbs. Look at you. Okay, I see you. Y'all looking good over here. I need to get back over in here with my asparagus and clean out this bed again. Weeds have just, and grass just have come up in this area, but I still have asparagus coming up. I see you. Look at you there. Okay. Continue to grow. Look at you. I see you right there. Seems like I get some sprouting up spears every day. Okay, over here where I just planted some of my white onion bulbs, I see some sprouting up already. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, onions, I see you. I see you coming up. Come on. I see you coming up there. Look at you. I see you. I see you sprouting up. Okay. Come on, onion. Come on up. My green beans over here, sprouting up some beautiful green leaves on them too over here. Come on, produce me a lot of green beans. on a windy, cloudy evening.